Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Microsoft Excel, and if you want to freeze your panes, you want to either do your rows or your columns, it's actually relatively easy. So let's say that I would like to freeze this one over here so that when I scroll, that won't scroll too. So all you need to do is select where you'd like to freeze, go over now to View, and here you'll see Freeze Panes, and use the drop-down menu. And what you want to do is freeze at selection. So for this particular situation, I want to freeze at selection. However, you got the top row up to row 1, the first column, and up to column A. And now as I scroll, you will see that that is now frozen. We can do the very same thing here if we want to take this and we'd like to freeze this. So all you need to do, again, drop your menu down and freeze at selection. Now, when you move this way, you'll have the same thing. If this was helpful, drop us a like.